welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm gonna take you to the reject shop with me. So guys, let's go over to the reject shop and see what's in there. It's Christmas, so let's see. So guys, that's the reject shop. So guys, here we have some gold leaf decoration and some Christmas trees that made out of wood, sticks rather. It's quite nice. So guys, I still see some Halloween things. Yeah, across here we have some beautiful decor again with Santa Claus and some small trees. So guys, here we have some beautiful decorations and some Christmas ornament. Look at this snowman. Everything is looking good. We are almost there. So guys, look at this decoration. It's a square one with the bow at the top. It is so beautiful. So guys, here we have some party plates. You can just get from a pin to an anchor in this reject shop. Here are some flowers and some more Christmas decorations, $15. So guys, I'm just doing a quick walkthrough. Hope you all will enjoy this video. This is a cute teddy bear, $6. Beautiful flowers. So guys, in this store we can also buy a little bit of this and a little bit of that for the house to decorate our home. Look at this piece, it's so nice. So guys, hope you all will enjoy this video. So guys, here are some books that you can use to decorate and put on your entrance table. It's nice. So I'm gonna, wow, these are nice little vase. Over here we have candles, scented candles, strawberry, melon, and I've tried them before and they're very nice. So you can get a pin to an anchor in this store. Frying pans, pots, baking trays, everything for the kitchen. Even this lemon squeezer, I have one. They are very handy in the kitchen. So guys, hope you all is enjoying this video. There is an avocado that you can store avocado in. So guys, here we have a pineapple dish, and we have strawberry and the melon. These are Nice little dish, handy in the kitchen for $2. Here we have some cups with animals shaped on them and some plates. So guys, as I said before, this is the reject shop. It's a long while I haven't been in the shop, so I'm just taking you all with me today. So I hope everybody will love this shop. So give me a comment in this comment section and let me know if you'd like to see more of the reject shop videos. So guys, here we have a soap dispenser. It's pretty with these little peppers on it. Maybe that one is for the kitchen. So here we have some white ones and some bed slippers, a little bit of socks, shampoos, face scrubs, cotton, good price for the cotton. So guys, over this side you have a lot of other Christmas decorations, which is beautiful, and we have all these Halloween decorations also. So this is cute. Begin to look like Christmas already. These are all nice. They are $3. Beautiful. Everything in here is pretty. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and I will see you guys in our next video. So these are so pretty. So guys, here we have the Christmas wrap paper, all different types, and all the boxes at the side. So now I am gonna be going out. So this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. So guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Bye for now.